Good day to each and everyone. My name is Jasper Jan D. Austria from SS3B. Pag-aaralan natin ngayon ay patungkol sa technology literacy or the digital literacy. Let's start. Technological literacy is the ability to safely, responsibly, creatively, and effectively use appropriate technology to communicate. Technology and digital communication have actually helped people with their communication skills and learning. Isa sa masasabi nating katangian ng pagiging technology literate ay ang kagalingan sa pagkikipagkomunikasyon. Kung paano ang mga technology platforms like the online platforms ay kaya nitong gamitin sa epektibong pakikipagkomunikasyon. Assess, collect, manage, integrate, and evaluate information. Technology literacy is the ability of an individual working independently and with others to responsibly, appropriately, and effectively use technology tools to assess, manage, integrate, evaluate, create, and communicate information. Aside from communication, mahalaga ring maging skillful and knowledgeable sa paggamit ng mga devices, digital tools, and for engagement in online activities. Endeavor to predict future needs, solve problems, and innovatively create solutions. Dito na papasok ang essential component ng digital literacy, which are the 6 core skills. Una dyan, collaboration. The ability to work collaboratively with others, with strong interpersonal and team-related skills. With collaboration, we can solve problems easily. Number 2, creativity. Being able to weigh up opportunities in an entrepreneurial manner and ask the right questions to generate new ideas. With creativity, we can solve problems beyond the box. Number 3, critical thinking. Being able to evaluate information and arguments, identify patterns and connections, and construct meaningful knowledge and apply it in the real world. With critical thinking, we can provide solutions to the problem. Number 4, citizenship. The ability to consider issues and solve complex problems based on a deep understanding of diverse values and a worldview. With citizenship, we can understand the diverse values and think a multi-solution that fits in everyone. Number 5, character. Traits such as grit, tenacity, perseverance, and resilience, alongside a desire to make a learning an integral part of living. With character, we can ascertain the factors like humanity, wisdom, courage, transcendence, temperance, and justice in making a significant solutions. And lastly, number 6, communication. Being able to communicate effectively through a variety of methods and tools to a range of different audiences. All solutions always comes in right communication. Build and share knowledge. Paano magbabahagi ng kaalaman ng technology? Be a technology literate. Sa atin mag-uumpisa ang sharing of knowledge. Kung hindi tama ang nakuha nating source of knowledge at ibinahagi pa natin ito sa iba, then magkakaroon ng confusion of knowledge up to the point that we share the fake news or false information. Improve and enhance learning in all subject areas and experiences. How do we improve and enhance the learning? Be a technology literate. As a future educator, we must teach students to improve themselves. Paano naman nila gagawin iyon if you're still delivering the false information, the black propaganda, and the bias of teaching? Ituturo mo ang mga advantages ng ganito at ang disadvantages ay huwag na natin pag-aralan. Don't replace opinions instead of knowledge. Don't replace Wikipedia instead of those trusted and accurate websites. Apply technology and critical thinking to real-world experiences. Like what I said earlier, to provide solutions, you must be a critical thinker. And because we are in the 21st century, where technology is a new weapon in learning, you must be a technology or digital literate. Develop the knowledge and skills to adapt to changing technologies. In philosophy, there's a religion that called Neo-Luddism, the anti-technology religion, that calls for slowing or stopping the development of new technologies. Bakit takot ka sa technology? Kasi hindi ka makasabay. Hindi mo ma-adapt ang changing technologies. You tend to always use rocks to communicate, using rocks to produce fire. I'm just kidding. Nakakatakot nga naman na kapag dumating ang araw na dahil sa technology ay mapalitan na ang human beings ng AI robot. But here's the thing. If you are technology literate, bakit ka matatakot? If you know how to interact, communicate, and share right knowledge in public using social media platforms, saan manggagaling ang takot mo? And use technology to meet personal needs, interests, and learning styles. Nag-exist ang technology because of those people na gustong mapadali ang trabaho nila, mapadali ang paggawa sa personal needs, and nowadays technology serve as a way to form an interest at magkaroon ng easiest strategy in learning styles. Students who possess technology literacy are able to easily utilize a variety of digital devices, for example, computers, smartphones, and tablets, and are able to easily utilize interfaces, for example, email, internet, social media, and cloud computing, to communicate, troubleshoot, and problem solve in both academic and non-academic surroundings. To sum up all the discussions that the Group J has reported, it is important for teachers and students to have information literacy so that when they research on the internet, they can get important and useful information. They know how to assess credible and reliable websites to use. It is also important to have media literacy so that teachers and students to be aware of what is happening and trends in society. Most young people today are engaged especially in social media. Today, media and social media can be used as teaching platforms. It can also be used as a reference to see the preferences and interests of the students. And it is very important that teachers and students become technology literate and make full use of the gadgets and equipment they have. There are so many innovative apps and softwares today that can be used in teaching and learning. And that ends our discussion.